Today I will make a cake for my friends.
I will take out fresh eggs, butter, and milk. Now mix well all ingredients: butter, flour, sugar, and flour. Now we will add some flavors and fruits for decorate the cake. Now I will carefully pour the smooth batter into the mold. Now I will place the cake mold inside the oven. Now wearing heat-proof gloves, carefully takes out the freshly baked cake. Now decorate the cake.
This is your me cake. This is your me cake.
It's so delicious and yummy. It's so delicious and yummy.
We will also open the cake.
Wow, so yummy, we liked it. Wow, so yummy, we liked it. Wow, so yummy, we liked it. Wow, so yummy, we liked it.